Hey guys, wanna know how to add blur to your images or clips in DaVinci Resolve? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, make sure you are on your media pool and then import any image or clip that you like. Now once you've done that, drag and drop it to the timeline. Now as you can see, your video has been dragged and dropped to the timeline. Now, in order to add effects like blur, just simply select effects that is located right here. Click on it. Now, once you're in the effects tab, just simply here on this source button right here and then select the blur. Now here there are various blurs you can choose from. Box blur, directional blur, lens. I'll just select one of them. Simply drag and drop it and add it to your timeline. Just like this. And right here, as you can see in the timeline, the video or the clip has changed. Now that's it. It's super simple and easy. You can also do the same, drag and drop it to the video and then add another blur just like that. To undo it, just simply select Ctrl+Z. So that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.